Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Take a look at this beautiful 2017 Audi A4 Technik Quattro. This has the S-Line package, is loaded with incredible features, and is in fantastic condition. We are going to take you on a tour of this A4 so you can have a great look at it from the comfort of your own home, and then come and check it out here at OMS. You're going to absolutely love this. Now, as I mentioned, this is the Quattro, so it is all-wheel drive. Underneath the hood, we have a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder engine. It is turbocharged, 252 horsepower, and it is connected to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It is absolutely tons of fun to drive. That 7-speed dual clutch is really fun to go through the gears manually with the paddle shifters on the wheel. If you like, if that's your thing, it's really a ton of fun. Now you can see from the side profile here, this is a great size sedan, room for 5 passengers, and it is the S-Line trim. So you get nice upgrades like these 19-inch alloy wheels, fantastic looking rubber on there as well. We have the S-Line badge in the fender, LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. The Technik package is the fully loaded model. This also has the upgraded what's the interior called? Virtual Cockpit interior, that's what it's called. You'll see that when we get inside. Around to the back, great looking rear. It's almost got like an integrated spoiler in the trunk lid there. It looks fantastic. Dual exhaust down below. Nice looking Audi badge, Quattro badge down here as well. And then popping open the trunk, there's lots of room in the back for all your gear, your storage, your luggage, whatever the case is. Golf clubs, of course. Everything's gonna fit back here, no problem. Closing this up, let's continue around the passenger side so you can see all 4 corners of this A4 Technik. Now, would you believe that this has 202,000 kilometers? Probably not, because the condition is so incredible. Well, wait till you see all the maintenance that's been done to this Audi, and then you'll probably understand a little bit more why it looks so great. Up front, fantastic looking headlights and daytime running lights. Nice little Quattro badge on the front grille here. And I mean, even the corners are super nice. All right, let's go take a look at the interior. We'll start off with the back seats and then go up front. So in the back, have a look at the nice leather seats in here. Really great condition. This is a non-smoker vehicle. We have a big center armrest that folds down there as well. And we have tri-zone climate control, so there is independent rear temperature in the back for these back passengers, and some nice floor liners down below as well. Now up front, very nice bolstered seats here. You can see with the S-Line trim, you get the extra bolstering on the side of the seats. And then we've got power driver seat with power lumbar support. That's hooked up to a 2-driver memory setting. We also have the power tilt and slide sunroof up top, and these are heated and air conditioned front seats. All right, now hopping in, have a look at the cockpit of this A4. It is really, really nice. It's very impressive when you jump in. Love this kind of satin aluminum trim. We have the Quattro badge, and then our infotainment system and our fully digital driver's gauges. This is that virtual cockpit I was telling you about up front here. So lots of different options for views. This one right now is obviously on the navigation. You get your RPMs lower left, your speed on the right, and that's, you know, I love this view myself. We had a Q4 and this had the same virtual cockpit. It was so nice. But you can switch through the different views here just by pushing this button here on the steering wheel, and then there are different views here as well. So you can see bigger gauges, smaller gauges. Lots of customization can be done with the virtual cockpit. Now we have our heated leather wrapped and perforated steering wheel. This is the S-Line steering wheel, really nice trim. You can see the heated steering wheel button there, voice controls, all that, and then the S-Line badge here. And then have a look down here because we have the nice aluminum pedals. Even the dead pedal is aluminum in this, which is sharp. Cruise control is right here. All of our lighting system controls are right here as well. And then you can see as we come over here, So we've got our infotainment display, and what's really neat about this is the controls for this. So we have this command control panel right here, which acts like a joystick, so you can swivel it around left, right. There's little hot buttons here to the left and the right. Radio, media, navigation, telephone, back, menu. Your presets are all up top, and then the volume control is all right here as well, and you can slide this over left or right for your presets as well. But this is a really, really clever system. So pushing menu, so now we go back to our menu system. You can adjust the sound, the vehicle settings. You can go to your telephone. Here's your navigation. So it does have your Navi right here in the full screen display. That's the, I'm looking for the map, is not the navigation. Navigation is the directions. This is the map view that I wanted to show you here. But really, really slick system. And what I like about this is it's so conveniently located right here. So when you have your hand here on your shifter just resting, all the controls are really nice and easy right here, and then your volume knob is right here. So just a nicely done, very well laid out system. And then we've got our tri-zone climate control right here. You could see heated and ventilated seats. I got the ventilated seat on. I put the heated seat side on just so you can show the difference there. And then down here we have our different drive modes. So the drive select, when we push this, you have the options from comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual. And that is changing things like the steering, the acceleration. Basically, it kind of transforms the car to your own driving style, which is really, really nice. Now, when we put this in reverse, we also have the around view camera. So a top-down view on the right-hand side. This is our, I believe, the rear view camera here. When we put it into drive, we get the front camera. So you can appreciate parking. This is going to be very, very simple. You can put this into your condo parking lot pretty darn easy with this around view camera system. And then here's our gear selector here. Now, don't forget, we do have paddle shifting behind the wheel to go through that 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, which is a very, very nice transmission, especially if you want to use it manually. The gear shifts are really quick, really crisp, and when you downshift, you don't tend to have that kind of like jerky kind of motion, whereas in a normal automatic with manual mode, it's not as great. So this one with the dual clutch is fantastic. Here's our vehicle file here. I did forget to mention, you get 4 free oil changes with the purchase of this A4, so take advantage of that. And then here is the Carfax. No accidents reported and 23 service records on the Carfax that you can go through and have a look at to see all the maintenance that was done on this, which is why it is in such incredible condition. But don't miss out on this S-Line Technik A4. I mean, it is absolutely the right spec. It's in fantastic condition, as you can see here, and it is available here at OMS. You can reserve this online on our website, or head over here and jump in the driver's seat and take it out for a spin. You're gonna love it. It's gonna look great in the driveway, and I bet you're gonna have a couple of friends a little jealous that you got this bad boy. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon at OMS.